Hello children, today we are going to study Social Studies Class 4 Chapter 4 The Western Desert. Here you can see few pictures of camel, duck and the pine tree, and the last one is cactus. So you can name them and then we can carry on with the chapter. The land to the west of Aravalli Hills in Rajasthan. The Western Desert, it lies to the west of Aravalli Hills in Rajasthan. There is a rocky and sandy land. This is the Great Indian Desert, which is also known as Thar Desert. It stretches from Rann of Kutch in Gujarat through Rajasthan to the borders of Haryana. Now you can see in map 4.1 where is Thar Desert. You can also see the around area as Jaisalmer, Jodhpur, Bikaner and Indira Gandhi Canal. The land Thar Desert is covered with a thick sheet of loose sand. At some places there are small hills and sand called sand dunes. Sand dunes छोटे छोटे जो sand के ना छोटे छोटे hills को sand dunes कहते हैं. Sometimes strong winds which blow here carry a large amount of sand with them. They can shift the sand dunes. There are very few streams in the Thar Desert. वहाँ पर पानी की बहुत कमी होती है. Streams यानी small passage of water. Small passage of water. They mostly remain dry. ज़्यादातर वो सूखे ही रहते हैं. वहाँ पानी की बहुत कमी होती है. Luni is the most important river. And at some places there is oases are found. Do you know what are oases? Oases are the small green place between the desert area. Rarely we found these kind of areas, but somewhere in the middle or between the desert area you can find this kind of green area where you can find the small plants, bigger trees and also some water, so that you can quench your thirst here. Okay. The land around an oasis is fertile. ओएसिस के आसपास का जगह डेफिनेटली फर्टाइल होगा क्योंकि वहाँ पर पानी है, पौधे हैं, तो वहाँ जानवर भी होंगे और वहाँ हर तरह के जीव भी हो सकते हैं. पीपल ग्रो क्रॉप्स हियर. यहाँ पर लोग क्रॉप्स भी ग्रो करते हैं, फसल भी छोटी मोटी उगाते हैं. Thus most villages are situated around an oasis. इसीलिए छोटे छोटे विलेजेस ओएसिस के आसपास बनाए गए होते हैं क्योंकि वहाँ पर हर तरीके की सुविधा मिल जाती है उन्हें. Now we will come to the climate of Thar Desert. The Thar Desert remains hot and dry throughout the year. There is very little or no rainfall, you can say, and in last chapter we have read that there is only 5% rainfall throughout the year in desert area. In summer, days are very hot and nights are very cool. In winter, days are warm and nights are very cold. Whereas when we go for natural vegetation, here we can learn that it's a hot and dry climate means that mostly scattered bushes and thorny shrubs grow here. इसीलिए यहाँ पे कोई बहुत बड़े छांव वाले पेड़ नहीं होते हैं. छोटी मोटी bushes झाड़ियाँ होती हैं और बहुत ज़्यादा कांटों वाले पेड़ होते हैं. The khejri, the kikar and babul trees grow in eastern part of desert. ज़्यादातर ये 3 प्रकार के पेड़ पाए जाते हैं. उसका नाम क्या है याद कर लो बच्चों. खेजरी, कीकर and babul trees. Animals such as camels, blackbucks, chinkars and great Indian bustards are found in this area. कौन कौन से animals हमें मिल जाते हैं यहाँ पर? Camels, blackbucks, chinkaras and great Indian bustards are found in this region. The camel is the most useful animal and popular animal here. The next topic is of water supply, how they get the supply of water. There is always very little water. Village women walk long distances to fetch water. So the state government, what they have done, they have provided some facilities of water for domestic use and irrigation. Tankers are also formed. Water from river Satluj has been brought to the desert through the Indira Gandhi Canal. Farmers can thus grow wheat, mustard and cotton. Mainly कौन से क्रॉप ग्रो किया जाता है? Wheat, सरसों के seeds, wheat, mustard and cotton. ये 3 मेन क्रॉप्स वहाँ पे ग्रो होती हैं. आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे थार डेजर्ट की पिक्चर. दिस इज ऑन पेज नंबर 33 if you go through that. Now we will go to the checkpoints which have been given on page number 34. You can see you have to write true and false for the sentences. First is the Thar desert is in Himachal Pradesh. Is it true or false, children? It is false. The Luni river flows through the desert. Yes, it's true. The region receives very little rainfall. Yes, this is also true. The Jawaharlal Nehru Canal is in Rajasthan. No, this is wrong. False. Now we will come to the occupation at that area. People mostly rear sheep. They do sheep rearing, goat, camel and cattle. Some of them are farmers. They grow bajra, jowar, maize, sesame seeds and coconut and groundnut. Some people also travel from one place to another in search of food for themselves and their family, for their animals also. Such people are called banjaras. क्या कहते हैं उनको? banjaras. और इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं? gypsies. Life in the Thar desert is thus very hard. इसीलिए वहाँ की लाइफ इतनी भी आसान नहीं होती है जितनी हमारी अर्बन एरियाज में होती है. Now we will come to the houses, how they made the houses. Most houses have a flat roof and a few small windows. The walls are thick to keep the heat out so that the houses remain very cool. Some houses have underground tanks to store rainwater. Such tanks are called tankas. ये क्वेश्चन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये आता ही है. ये fill in the blanks में आएगा कि the tanks which are made by the people in Thar desert, what is the name of that tank? So you will answer it as tankas. See how the women are fetching water from a well in Thar desert. बहुत दूर दूर चलकर उनको जाकर पानी भर के लाना पड़ता है. अब हम उनकी लाइफस्टाइल देखेंगे. तो लाइफस्टाइल, women in villages wear घाघरा, चोली and ओढ़नी. You can see their attire. And the men, they wear dhoti, kurta and turban. See their attire. People love to eat dal, bati, churma. They celebrate Gangor and Tej. These are the festivals. And what are the dances which are very popular here are Ghumar and Kalbelia. Okay, they are the popular folk dances. Now here you have seen this picture. The people of Rajasthan are wearing colorful clothes. Now we will see what kind of cities are there, how many types of cities are there. There are major cities like Jaipur, Udaipur, Jodhpur, Jaisalmer and Bikaner are some big cities. Jaipur is also called as a pink city. It is famous for blue pottery. A large number of tourists from all over the world visit Rajasthan every year. We will come to the quick recap of the chapter, which is the Thar desert covers a large part of Rajasthan. The region remains hot and dry. There is not much water available. People store water in tankas. People rear animals and do farming. Jodhpur, Jaipur, Udaipur and Jaisalmer. They are some big cities of Rajasthan. Now we will come to the tick the correct answer. First question is, what is the other name given to the Great Indian Desert? The other name is Thar Desert. Which of these trees is not found in the desert? Coconut trees. The second one is, which of these trees is not found in the desert? The coconut trees is not found in the desert because other options are babool, kikar and kejri. Which of these is most useful animal in the desert? Elephant, donkey, horse, camel? Definitely camel. Which of these crops is cultivated in Rajasthan? Jowar, tea, jute, rubber? It's jowar. Which of these festivals celebrated in Rajasthan? Gangor, Pongal, Onam, Lori? No, Gongor. This one. Fill in the blanks with words from brackets. The dash are small hills of sand found in desert. It is sand dunes and sandstorms. सैंडस्टॉर्म्स तो होती हैं धूल भरी हवा, और सैंड ड्यून्स बताया था मैंने, छोटे छोटे जो हिल्स क्रिएट हो जाते हैं सैंड से, उसको कहते हैं सैंड ड्यून्स। तो फिलिप्स में सैंड ड्यून आएगा। सेकेंड, एन एरिया इन अ डेजर्ट वेयर ट्रीज ग्रो अराउंड अ वाटर सोर्स इज कॉल्ड डैश लगून और ओएसिस, इट्स ओएसिस। द थर्ड पॉइंट इज अ डैश is an underground tank to store rainwater. The answer is Tankas. Dash is a folk dance of Rajasthan. Kalbeli is the folk dance of Rajasthan. And Dash is called a pink city. Jaipur is known as a pink city of Rajasthan. So we have the third part C. We have to answer these questions, which will be covered in next video. Till then, children, you take care and goodbye. Let's meet in the next video, which will be a part 2 of the Western desserts. Bye.